The best, easiest, and effective way to do Sarvangasana is we bring our body as close as possible, as shown in the video, bringing our hip as close as possible to the wall, the primary wall, and then we, with the support of our hands, we try to lift our body up. We try with one leg at a time. Right now I'm done it with two legs. Initially you can try with one leg and then keep switching your legs alternatively. That secondary wall is not at all important, and we can try staying in that position for a period of time until and unless you become a little bit convenient, so that's the best way to do Sarvangasana. Anyone can do it.